Today guys, I'm gonna make a video on a typical day at Fruitopia in between well, the good stuff that you always see from me, like harvesting and modeling and the upside to gardening. This is what I'm gonna be doing today. I did a lot yesterday. I should have recorded it, but I'll try to film a little bit of what I'm doing today and a little bit of what I did yesterday. So basically, these banana pups, which I had in pots from last year, they're my backups. I always have backups of easy plants such as bananas and figs and tamarillas, things that take easily or propagate easily. So and banana is the easiest. Everyone should have bananas. No reason not to. Everyone in a temperate climate. So what I'm doing today is I moved the pots away from here. These banana pups were just sitting here over winter, and this is a new prickly pear that I planted in the ground a few weeks ago. I had that in a pot since summer. I bought it last summer, and I'm gonna put all these fig cuttings. Look how many fig cuttings there are. Yeah, I'm gonna put all these guys in here to act as future mulch for the cactus. So that's one job. As you can see, I've got my dirt here if anything needs to be topped up. This is just regular dirt from the property, so we've always got top-ups. And there's more mulch breaking down back there. That's basically pine needles and pine twigs from this unwelcome pine tree, which is about 100 feet tall. Yeah. So right over my greenhouse and right over my little baby plants here. Okay, so next thing I'm going to show you guys is this is a beautiful lavender. I'm going to show you what I did yesterday. So I cut down one of the hugest banana plants I had going. Unfortunately, the fruit wasn't ideal. So you get that. This is what happens when you grow, when bananas come in winter. Nothing comes. The plant comes, the beauty of the plant, but there's no fruit. No fruit. But at least you can get mulch out of it. And of course the banana blossom, which we're going to turn into a salad. And here's some more of those cuttings from the banana. Look at that. Look at all that free mulch from one banana plant. One of these. Just one. But it was a big one. This one was as big as these 5. Yep. Well, basically it was as big as this. This is the biggest banana I have on the property. Look at that. If I put my hand around it, can't even start to go around it. But big or not, it gave us zilch. Except, like I said, for a banana blossom, which we make into a Vietnamese salad. And man, so much mulch. Look at this mulch. Can't complain really. I've mulched about half a dozen trees, including this little mandarin. So that's what I did yesterday. Massive job getting down one of these big boys. Another thing I wanted to report on was the progress of these potted dwarf bananas. Remember the ones I groomed 2 weeks ago? Look at this. I told you the new leaves would be coming round about now. I mean, they're a bit torn up from the wind, right? The winds are cold. So anyway, check it out. Every one of them is getting brand new leaves. Look at that. Just as promised. New leaves, new leaves, and new pup. And down here, new leaves, new leaves, new leaves. How about that? So 4 weeks from now, these guys will be full of huge leaves, brand new ones. And they're gonna look beautiful. Another humongous job I did yesterday was on his Camellia. And Camellia technically is a fruiting plant because we get our tea from camellias, right? No, this one is an ornamental. But gotta keep up the work, even on the ornamentals, guys. So yesterday I had to interrupt the flower show and cut down all these guys because, well, it was getting top heavy, and we didn't want to lose any big branches. So that was a massive job. And as you can see with the neighbor's fence, they're still hanging over. I got that yet to do when they drop their flowers next month. So yeah, a lot of work. Homer Simpson would be proud of me. So someone's got to do it, and I do it with pleasure. I mean, look at it. How's that for spectacular in the home garden? Every spring and late winter. And there's the big boy. That's the guy I pulled out yesterday from the front where I just was. And that's going to get cut up even more to feed this little banana pup here. Yeah, I've already got a lot of trimmings from the last 6-7 months on the ground. All the different trees, plum trees, lemon trees, lime trees. Look at this one where the nasturtium has come. This is volunteer nasturtium, and I've loaded this up too with trimmings and kitchen compost. All the melons we've been eating are in here to feed this one banana. So let's hope he gives us something by summer. So cuttings, trimmings, bananas, you name it. I don't go to Bunnings or Home Depot to buy any mulch. Look, this is all sugarcane. Sugarcane for the mango and sugarcane for the cherry moya. And over here, there's sugarcane cuttings everywhere. Look, everywhere. This is not from a big, what do you call it? A big box store. These are all from my own trees. All these trimmings. And this is Davidson plum, which I finally put in the ground a few days ago after being in a pot for 2 years. So we'll see how this guy goes. This is going to be growing as an understory here beneath the ice cream bean. The mango, everyone's getting some nice food. So yeah. Everyone's been fed locally with local mulch, including the ice cream bean. Look at that, all the melons. See all the seeds from the melons and oranges? Kitchen compost. There's no meat or fish in there though, only plants. So this is the Fuerte avocado. Free mulch from these guys. Free. Yeah, we do pay for our trees when we buy them. Sometimes I've paid up to $200 for one tree. But I save hundreds on mulch. So it's all, it all balances out. And here at the back of the property, this is the macadamia. And this is the lime. I have a new banana variety, which is unknown, gifted from a friend. And again, all the plum tree trimmings from winter. Check it out. Check it out. By the end of summer, this will be all broken down and be given to these bananas. Thank you. And again here with another set of bananas. I've got bananas everywhere. All the heavy wood from trees that I've pruned over the last couple of years. I don't throw it into the city bin. Everything gets used. Just cut up into smaller pieces and they become edging. Free edging. To hold in the nutrients and to hold in the lawn clippings, to hold in the leaves from the philodendron. Philodendron, when it overgrows, there's some more clippings there for that young fig. So these are the philodendrons I have. When the leaves get too big, this is a white sapote, a new one, which I planted last year. I lost the label, so I don't know what variety it is. So here you are. These philodendrons are very close to the white sapote, and no problem. As soon as the leaves get too big, cut, and feed. Feed the bananas. More bananas here. Cool bananas. This is a new one I got at the beginning of the year. Pisan Ceylan. The ultimate cool condition banana. It will fruit. And I can't wait to see what kind of rack this one gives us. So we're back to where we started. That's about it, guys. Just an insight of what I do between filming for you guys, harvesting, watering, modeling, and all the rest. So this is the next job I'm going to do now. I'm going to put all these fig cuttings from this fig. See this fig that's just waking up? That fig. I butchered it back in July. And these are its cuttings, trimmings. They're going to go and feed this prickly pear. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and give me your comments too, guys. I want to hear from you too. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you from the next video.